Every cook deserves the best cookware. Well, you see that delicious shrimp? I'll show you how to make it in a minute. But most importantly, I wanted to share with you about this gorgeous look of Italian ceramic cookware. It really excels in the heart of daily cooking and handling. Well, I just love using it. I wanted to share with you what sets it apart. It is so durable than previous ones in the market. Very cool to touch. Oh, I just love that handle. Look at that. It's cute, but not only cute. Cool to touch silicone handle. Safe for high heat. Great quality. Dishwasher safe. Generous depth and perfectly sloped sides for easy flipping. You can see I'm enjoying flipping those peppers, flipping that shrimp. Well, as for the shrimp, if you follow my recipe right here, I'll put a short description again in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe after watching this video for more videos to come. I even have more videos I'm going to show you. I had traveled and I will show you more food stuff. Don't forget to share. Thank you.